Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to trim a video on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is open up your Photos app. Once you're there, just tap on any video that you want to trim or edit. So tap on the video, and here at the top right corner you will see the edit button. So just tap on that. This will pop up, and now you could adjust it by holding on the arrow on both ends. So that I could adjust it to the left, and you could adjust this one to the right. So let's say I want it to start here, then I want it to end just right here. And you could also preview it just by tapping on the play button on the left side. As you can see, once you're done, just tap on the button at the top right corner, and you can either save the video or save video as a new clip to separate it from the original video. So let's say I want to separate it from the original video. Save video as a new clip. And now it's done. That's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.